njengazakwethu this is the other network sisetshenziswe lithi kwi-Kapa Cup njengamanje I'm with the losing coach wethu for joy futhi kubuhlungu kodwa mfethu ngidlalile
mfowethu siyabonga ithuba siyabona ukuthi siphinde sibe ingcenye ye-Kapa Cup. It was our wish ukuthi sikwazi ukuyidefender of which akwenzekanga. I think ukudlalanga ngendlela esijwayele ukudlala ngayo ngoba we started playing very late kodwa bazamile abafana
ukuphuma emapenalthini lakuthiwa khona wafa ifila kanjani baba?
Akuyona igame ebikwi-caliber yethu ukuthi singaze sifike ngayo kuma-penalthini, but I think we had our best goalkeeper. I think the boys abebekhahlela, they let goalkeeper wethu down, so we feel bad about it, but I mean it's football, one has to win, so Tina we use of winning, so it's fine. We can dust it off. We back again next time that we Kapa Cup again.
Where to for joy?
The few tournaments that are lined up, I think we'll be joining a tournament engengisho for now ngoba because njengamanje sekwi Kapa Cup, but there's a tournament as Joina, which is a local tournament, and then from there the boys will be resting.
At luck, coach.
Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu, sibonge for everything.
Siyabonga mfowethu. Besikhona siyidapha network. Danko.